guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about laundry scents. So if you are a type of person just like me who loves this detergent smell of your laundry, and you love your laundry to smell very intensely and good, and you love your perfumes to smell like that, please stay with me because I have something exactly for you. So my name is Justina, this is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. All right, so if you hear any noises, that's, you know, the airplane flying around here, you know, above my house. I don't know why, without a purpose, so sorry for that. And let's go with the first fragrance, which I have recommended so many times on my channel already. And finally, I do have a full bottle of it, and it's none other than Bleached from Nuit Nomade. I am absolutely in love with this fragrance. This one, for some people, has this harsh detergent smell. For me, of course, it smells like a detergent, but as I told you, I really love those kind of fragrances. I really love to feel, you know, that I have my clothes clean. I'm clean for the whole day, especially when there is warm outside. Now we have very warm spring here in Poland. Let's see how long it will last. I hope it will last a long time, and then we'll go into the summer straight. But you never know. But you know, in general, when there is warm weather, I love to feel like clean, musky, and that's exactly what this fragrance does. This one has white flowers, this has musk. So for me, it smells like very strongly, you know, beautiful smelling laundry, and it's dried up somewhere outside, under the sun, of course, as the name suggests, sun bleached. So good. Clean, beautiful smelling, very unisex. I really love it. Sun bleached from Nuit Nomade. You have 10% coupon code with Nuit Nomade with my code in the description box, or any other brands that are interesting for you. You have a coupon code, just see the description box. Another one is the one I have discovered recently. One of my viewers sent me a sample, and I didn't know about the existence of this fragrance. And this one is absolutely amazing. I have here a sample, and it's Zarkoperfume, that's the name of the brand, Zarkoperfume, and it's The Muse. So same situation. If you like your clean, cold, detergent smells, like musky, nothing citrusy, nothing of the sort, more musky and slightly powdery, almost aldehydic in this cold way, this one will be perfect. This one is long lasting, this one is really nice. And one tip from me, you can layer also those clean detergenty smells. So I have actually recently layered The Muse with Sun Bleached, and the effect I got was just amazing. I felt very clean, very put together, very, very nice. So you need to try layering those clean fragrances, because, you know, perfumes with similar accords combine perfectly. So the musk is just perfect, very intense, cold, beautiful smelling. So yeah. And another one from the same type of, you know, scent profile, none other than Et Voila from Teo Cabanel. This one is your luxurious laundry. You can feel the bubbles, you know, that are cold, that are effervescent, sparkling, but at the same time, they are very, very musky, even creamy. Very good. And this one lasts really, really long time. You know, I've heard one YouTuber said that she sends her sheets with Et Voila and she uses it only for that. I mean, like, what? Don't you want to smell like, you know, beautifully clean laundry? I mean, like, such a waste of perfume for me, because I absolutely love to smell like a freshly cleaned, musky laundry, cold, refreshing. That's how it smells to me. And when there is a heat outside, I do feel the best in this kind of fragrances. So yeah, Et Voila from Teo Cabanel. And another one. Oh guys, this one should be hyped up to the maximum, but it isn't. And I don't know why, because this one is one of the most perfect clean scents out there. Powdery, clean, you know, you name it, you know, those laundry detergent. And this one is Besos from Carner, Barcelona. I don't know why it is not hyped up. There are those, you know, videos about best clean perfumes and stuff like that, clean girl aesthetics. It is not there. And why? I'm asking you, why Why? Because this one is just perfect. If you like your irisy perfume, this one is perfect. And this iris here is very clean, almost cold. So you need to like your cold iris, but also you need to like your perfume slightly powdery. But it is not pungent, not overbearing in any way when it comes to this powdery iris. Everything is transparent and even slightly cold. So if you like perfumes in that style, you need to check out Besos from Carner Barcelona, because it's one of their best creations. However, I do have a hard time to decide which one I like the best, because they have so many good offerings. But this one is like my top, I don't know, in my top 5 definitely when it comes to Carner Barcelona, so you need to check it out. I also have a coupon code for this brand, so yeah, but this one I have bought myself because I just absolutely loved the fragrance the moment I sniffed it. So I just went crazy, completely crazy last year about this. All right, another one I have in here, I have here the sample, and this one is Byredo Blanche. However, for me, I must admit, this scent is really similar to Sun Bleached from Nuit Nomade, but this one I'm only putting up here for reference. This one, when it comes to Byredo Blanche, is slightly more subdued, more calm, if you will. Sun Bleached is more intense. So depending what you like, what effect you want. However, for me, the choice is obvious. I would go for Sun Bleached, especially for the price, and especially for the fact that Sun Bleached is much more long lasting on me, and it, you know, projects much more, is stronger. So for me, Sun Bleached. However, Byredo Blanche, I think, suits this theme here today perfectly. So that's why I'm, you know, talking about it. All right, and another one is the one I think I have recommended already here on this channel. At least on my Polish channel, I have recommended it many times, especially during those warmer periods of the year. And it's Clean Reserve and it's Skin. This one is, again, musky, but this one is more intimate, more sweet as well. I think it has praline. This one is so good. This one is good. This one is the perfume, perfect perfume for the person who doesn't want to smell too much, but still they want to smell good. Especially if you are, you know, you are working somewhere where you cannot wear too much of a perfume. I think this one will be just perfect. And yeah, it's very cozy as well. Like, you know, you would use your nice soft towels or something like that, freshly cleaned and warmed up. That's the effect you get. You have also Skin Accord in here, like milky, slightly milky warm. This one is really nice. Clean Skin Reserve. It doesn't last really long time, but it's really nice. Another one is from the brand that sells clothes. It's Pull & Bear. However, I think this one is already discontinued, so you need to check it out. However, I decided to, you know, talk about it here because maybe when you will see it, you will buy it because it's very good. It's Phyllis from Pull & Bear. And this one is a very good alternative to also discontinued Chloe Love. So if you like Chloe Love, this one will be for you. It has some cold elements to it as well. It smells very similar to Chloe Love. That's what I wanted to say. And this one is so good. I don't understand why it's, you know, discontinued, because this one is just amazing. But I'm just telling you, if you see it, just get it because it's absolutely amazing. So Phyllis for her from Pull & Bear. Another one is cheapy but a classic. It's Tesori d'Oriente Muschio Bianco, so white musk. And this one, as to scent your clothes, it may be nice to, you know, just right after the shower, you want to spray something, you know, casual. This one will be good. But also what I want to recommend is the laundry detergent with this, within this line, Muschio Bianco. This one is so good. The clothes after washing smell like days, literally days. When I washed my dog's bed, the dog himself was like smelling with Muschio Bianco for a couple of days. So it's very strong, very nice, projects really well as for laundry detergent, and this one is nice as well, very simple. So yeah, Muschio Bianco from Tesori d'Oriente. Another one that I think no one is talking about, I have here like 10 ml decant. This one is from the classic perfume house Molinard, and it's Heliotrope. I think this one is so good as well. Slightly vintagey, I'm not going to lie to you, but if you like Chloe Love, if you like Besos from Carner, Barcelona, this one I think might be for you. It's powdery, but at the same time strangely clean. It's not like your very heavy talky powder, same as, for example, in Laurence of Villers Ton de Neige, nothing of the sort. This one is powdery, but it's transparent as well, slightly flowery. Very, very beautiful. So I highly recommend you try Molinard Heliotrope, especially if you like those clean fragrances, a little bit vintage, but I don't mean vintage like in very heavy and, you know, overbearing way. Nothing of the sort. It's like, you know, your posh and dainty, you know, heavy laundry detergent, something like this when it comes to Molinard from Heliotrope, yeah, Heliotrope for Molinard. So yeah, Molinard Heliotrope, very, very nice, and I think it's underrated gem when it comes to those fragrances. Another fragrance, which is a staple, I think, already in many people's collection, is from Essential Parfums, and it's the Musc. So this one is basically so classic. It has lavender as well. Of course, it has musk, this, you know, fluffy, warm presence to it. It has lavender, which calms you down. It has ginger, which provides slight zestiness, but it's not too much. It's not like your very pungent, zesty ginger, nothing of the sort. It has sandalwood, so it gives you this musky, woody, creamy base. So good. Especially when you are somewhere, you want to wear it casually, but you still want to feel elegant, smell elegant, put together. It smells like white linen clothes. Very, very nice. So yeah, the Musc from Essential Parfums. And the pricing of Essential Parfums, of course, is really good. Another one is also not discussed at all on YouTube. I have this impression. And this one is from Italian brand Acca Kappa, and this one is Tilia Cordata. So this one is actually your linden blossom flower scent. And this one smells just like linden blossom. So beautiful, sunny. It's like, you know, linden blossom in a full bloom, and the sun is shining on it, and you can smell this, you know, honeyed smell. This one smells so good. Clean, flowery, sunny, so beautiful, and very unusual. Even though we all know how linden blossom smells, you rarely get this realistic linden blossom in perfumes. And this it does just that, you know, you can smell this linden blossom. So beautiful. I highly recommend you check this out because it's so nice. So that was it. Another one, it smells like luxury, but in really good price. And I mean here, Trussardi Donna. This classic version with a white bottle. This one is like your citrusy white flower scent. And of course, if I would smell it on someone, I would think that they're wearing nice perfume, or they are very clean and put together, you know, they have very clean clothes. And it has something from the laundry detergent as well, like citrusy, white flowery, you know. I really like it, and citruses here are not too sour on my skin, so I do appreciate it. Yeah, Trussardi Donna in a very good price as well. Another one is the one I don't really wear because I have received it from my friend and she gave me like the rest in the bottle. This one is Moschino Funny, and actually this one also, when someone would you know, wear this fragrance, I would think they have, you know, freshly showered, or maybe they have freshly washed clothes. And this one is mostly citrusy fragrance. So I think that's why I'm not gravitating towards it that much, especially that those are citruses that are really plain for me. I don't want to offend anyone, but you know, I want something more from my fragrances. But it's like citrusy, musky, very easygoing. So Moschino Funny lasts quite a really long time. So yeah. Moschino Funny for you know, those clean scent lovers as well. Another one is very, very good. I really do love this fragrance. Lumière Blanche from Olfactive Studio. This one is so nice. This one is like your cold musk combined with cardamom. That's what I get from this fragrance. It's at the same time a little bit warm and cooling down. So I know it's contradictory, but it smells warm and cool at the same time. Very nice, musky, slightly creamy, spicy, contradictory, but in very, very pleasant way. Perfect for the office setting, perfect to exude this mood of rest and well-being and, you know, feeling cozy and confident as well. So, so good. And it smells like a clean, luxurious laundry. Maybe not that harsh compared to the previous fragrances I showed you, but it's still very clean and put together. Like, you know, clothes taken out from the dryer. More quiet, intimate to the skin, but very, very beautiful. Lumière Blanche from Olfactive Studio. And another fragrance is a classic, so I just briefly mention it here. Prada Infusion de Riz. This one, I don't have to talk about it too much. This one is soapy, powdery, bubbly, very refined, slightly vintagey as well. The quality I really, really like, especially this vintage soaps. It's like this Italian soaps, very luxurious. I really like it. Prada Infusion de Riz. And two last fragrances are from Diptyque. And the first one will be L'Ombre dans l'eau. And this one smells, for me, like a wet, wet rose, but not like heavy rose or anything like that. But it's like more like a flower with the stems, with the leaves, very, very wet. It smells like it. And I have, you know, this image in my head that it's combined with ivy. I don't know why. Maybe I'm right. I don't know the, you know, olfactive pyramid for this one. But this one is clean. And also, if I would have laundry detergent with this smell, I would be so, so happy. And the last one is Diptyque Eau De Sens. And this one I have sprayed in here. And this one smells for me something like orange blossoms combined with heavy musk. Really nice, really clean, put together, opulent again, like this rounded quality to it that this perfume has. So, so nice. So yeah, I think Diptyque has very nice, clean fragrances. I need to explore this brand more because I only actually know the bottles, but I do not know the scent. So I need to explore it a little bit more. So that was it for today for my laundry fragrances. Let me know if you like the scent profile, and let me know especially what are your favorite fragrances when it comes to this line of fragrances, those laundry fragrances. Which ones do you love? Thank you very much for watching today, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.